So you see that? It should look like that. I nicked myself. That hurts. Let y'all know if y'all see this. You can see the swelling. I'm not a professional, so yeah. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Jazmine.
I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the south, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Welcome back, you guys. If you're new, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because we are lit. So today we're gonna be doing my eyebrows. Yes, ma'am. We're gonna be doing them tonight. I got some tools. Got the alcohol bottle. Got a little razor, a little scissors. These scissors are expensive. Got my trusty dusty. I got this Morphe spoolie. So that's all the equipment that I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my equipment.
This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see you.
So before I go ahead and get into these, disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I do them how I like them. So yeah. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and brush them out.
Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is.
So they should look like this. Alright, so I have this mirror, so I'm gonna use this to get where it goes. Okay, you see the difference? So yeah. Okay, so now you're gonna do the bottom.
You a love note and make you smile at every word I wrote.
Like that, you're gonna do the same thing underneath.
And wanna be the one on my team. Tell me what you see, what's the point in waiting?
So they should be cut down enough. So you see that? It should look like that. Alright, so I got a little unibrow. You can't really see. Let me see if I can. It's not a lot of hair, honestly, but I'll go ahead and cut that off. So I go from one side to the other for my unibrow.
Side by side, you can be my baby, let me make you my lady.
Okay, then I come down.
See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away.
Okay, so it should look like this. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do the right side first. So you can go ahead and brush them up. Get underneath there. I got a lot of hair right here. So I'm just come across, go against the grain.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you.
Okay, the little top piece.
My love.
So I don't really do too much shaping. Like I really clean up around my own personal arch. Alright, so I think I got most of the bottom on this side. Now I'm gonna just get the top. So that's how it's done with that. So, and then the last thing I do is tweeze, because that hurt. And after that, I'm done. So yeah, okay, so let's go to the other side.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby,
And y'all, I have a scar here, so sometimes it'd be difficult trying to get this part, but yeah. I'm just letting y'all know if y'all see this. If you want a story time,
just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands.
so I nicked myself. as you can see. Alright, so I cut them out and I razored the rest. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the tools that I'm not using anymore. So go ahead and spray it.
So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away.
Alright, so yeah, clean it up, put it up. Now, alright, so let's go ahead and just go right into it.
Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say what I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.
Alright, so this one's finished. Got a little plucking, and if you can see the swelling. So we're just gonna go ahead and finish with this one.
My love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby.
I get the front a little bit.
Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished product. I have completed my eyebrows. I always spray them down. Alright, you guys, so I finished my eyebrows. I hope you guys love them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it's information. It's a little bit educational for you, so you can do your eyebrows at home. So yes, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you all, and stay blessed, and we'll be back. Thank you. Thank you, y'all. I did good this time. I did good. All right, peace. Bye.